Now in this lesson we look at the volume of a cylinder. Now the formula V equals pi r squared h. Okay, that's the volume of a cylinder, and you'll need to commit that to memory. Examples. The first one, we need to find the volume of this cylinder. So we start with the formula. Now pi r squared, where r is the radius, which in this case 6. So we write pi times 6 squared. We multiply now by the height, which is 8. And using the calculator we work that out, becomes 904.8. Now it's a volume, so it's in cubic centimeters. It's been rounded off to 1 decimal place. Our next example, we need to find the volume of this pipe. We need to answer in cubic meters, corrected 2 decimal places. Well, there's our formula again, V equals pi r squared h. Now pi r squared, that actually is the area of the circle. Okay, it's very useful to know what part of the formula that is. Pi r squared, area of the circle. It's multiplied by the height, which in this case is the 10.6. So when you see the h in this formula, it doesn't necessarily mean straight up and down. Basically you need to think about it's the distance that the area of the circle has been extended, if you like. Alright, so pi r squared firstly. Well, we can see that 80 centimeters, that's the diameter. We need the radius, which will be 40 centimeters. But because we need to answer in cubic meters, we're not going to write 40 centimeters, we're going to write that as 0.4 meters. So there's our radius. So we write pi times the radius squared, so pi times 0.4 squared. We're multiplying by the height, which we already decided was 10.6. It's in meters, so I'm simply writing 10.6 there. And when we calculate that, it works out to be 5.33 cubic meters. It's been rounded off to 2 decimal places. Excellent. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.